What's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Blake and Bryce. Today we are back with another banger, and today we playing Driving Empire. As you can probably already tell. And today I will be just tuning my cars and probably just showing y'all how my cars look before and how they look afterwards. So, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, subscribe, like, comment, share this video to anybody, and sit back and enjoy. So let's get to it. Body kits. This don't really got that much body kits. Paint. How would it look like in a mantis green? Not gonna lie, my favorite color might low-key be green. Or this. Nah, that look I don't know.
I got good assistant.
Okay, let me do some. The rims? I don't know if I seen the rims though. Should I see the rims?
It's a drop.
But the white low key don't really match the thing that don't really match what I'm going for. Like a light grayish. Or I can make them like chrome like this and probably just like buy those. I don't know about those, but I'll buy them because they actually look kind of tough on this. And I might buy like a track hawk. Like this one.
I shot the cross.
Accents. Should I keep it green? Should I keep it green or should I keep it? No, it's not red.
I got the skin.
I should keep it like green, maybe. I don't know if I should get green or if I should keep it leather. Ooh, leather. Tan. I'll stick with tan so far, bro. I'm trying to find out how you tint your windows though. Like how you tint your windows. Like how do you tint them? Body kits? No. How on earth do you tint? Okay. License plate US. I'm from Arkansas. Put that to Arkansas. Underglow. Underglow. Make that like a little bit like a yellowish. Ooh, secondary. Maybe I should keep it like yellow, but maybe I like two tones of yellow, like one light and one dark. Yeah, I'll keep it like that so far. Okay, now back. I think this is it. No, I gotta add some to it. Add some aspiration. See if I can add. Yep, I can. Should I add a supercharger or should I add a cryo turbo? Supercharger.
Okay,
Let me make a wait. You can play Car Ride Mania while I get done with this.
Yeah, Car Ride empty.
Okay. Oh no. I should.
Look, are you ready? Off of 4 stage at 16.
We not. We restarted. I'm back at stage 1. Remember? I beat the game, so I'm back at stage 1.
I'm not tasting. Listen. I stayed 1.
You will stay 16 still?
No. I just.
Shit.
I am not.
Leaving check. Wait, yeah. There's only like 20 stages to it, so you should be gone. I mean, be done by like I don't know. I got $138,000. What can I buy? Ooh, they got a Toyota Yaris Cause if y'all seen the Toyota Yaris meme, and if y'all seen a meme about the Toyota Yaris, so if y'all know the Toyota Yaris meme, y'all already know why it's popular and why I like it. Cause if y'all seen a meme about it or like the video about it,
Cool.
and yeah, I'm trying to fly. I fly. Ooh, they got. They got. Wait. Let me see. Did they take out the Dodge? Let me see. Let me do search up Jeep. Cause I don't know if they took out Jeep or not. I hope not. No, they took out the Jeep. No, and they took out Dodge. No, they took out Dodge. No, they don't take out Dodge. No. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all my McLaren and I'm gonna show you my GTR. Cause if y'all ain't know by now, my favorite color is green. Yeah, that's my favorite color, green. So let me show y'all my GTR first. I feel like my GTR will look better. Okay. Oh, this is low key kind of tough in the green. And one thing I hope driving Empire will add is that you can like, so let's say you add turbos, right? And then when you add turbos, you can actually see the turbos in the engine. Like, let's say you add like a supercharger. There could be like a supercharger in here, cause if you added cryo turbos, there could be cryo turbos in there. But so far, this GTR is low key looking fire. Okay, now let me check on the McLaren. Okay, so far the McLaren is actually peeping it. Hold up, the McLaren might actually look its best in green. With the tan interior. Okay, but this is the end of the video. I'll post about us playing Kart Ride Mania in about like a few minutes. So make sure to turn on your post notifications and subscribe. Bye bye. I'll see y'all in the next video.